Jamie and I are going to have a little bonding time out in the yard today. And he is so excited.
Mom, I love spending time with you.
So we're going to get our pan ready for this. I've got some button mushrooms. We're actually going to do lemon and prosciutto stuffed mushrooms. This is the kind of dish that you'd maybe like to fix your plate and take out in the yard. And
it's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day today. And I tell you what, we've had our share of rain. So it's so good to see the sun out today. Both suns, the S-O-N and the S-U-N.
You're so clever,
I'm
Mom.
so clever sometimes, aren't I?
What you gonna do with that butter?
Well, I thought I'd just eat some. All right, I'm gonna put a little butter, Jamie, into our pan.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up this prosciutto pretty good, Mom.
So if you would do that, I'm gonna be down here with our mushrooms, and I'm just gonna pop the caps out. And we're using a baby portobello. I'm gonna take half the caps, chop them up, and we're gonna put them in with our mix, just giving us a little filler for the mushrooms. But I'm just gonna mince these up. Do I need a little bit more butter, maybe? Yeah, let's.
Oh, why not?
Yeah.
Mom, I've got a bunch of chives here. I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup, and I'm gonna mince these up really fine because I don't want big pieces of chive.
That'll give us a nice mild onion flavor, y'all. And plus the green in there will be beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna reduce the heat now, Jamie, as soon as you get your chives in.
Okay.
And you're gonna give us a half a tablespoon of lemon zest. And I think we're kind of safe to even.
So good.
Doesn't it smell delicious? I think I'm gonna turn it totally off. I'm gonna take 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now that cream cheese is gonna bind our ingredients together and make it rich and creamy. All right, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of dried tarragon. I love it. Kind of licorice-like.
Yeah.
All right, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You know, there's 1,000 ways to stuff mushrooms. You can take them so many different ways. And this is just one of them. Looks yummy. Here, you look like you're about ready to snatch that spoon from my hand. All right, so I'll be traying up our mushrooms. And we're gonna stuff these, y'all, and then we're gonna put them in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Yes, perfect, son. And you can't get more better than perfect.
Well, let's stuff them.
Let's stuff them?
This is gonna be overflowing.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of stuff mine good, son.
Okay.
Oh, Jamie, that is just yum.
They sure are pretty too. Nothing on top of these, this is it?
Nope, this is it, son. And in the oven they go. The saltiness, y'all, from the prosciutto and the lemon zest just pops and goes together. All right, so in the oven that goes, 350, 20 minutes. Welcome back, y'all. Our mushrooms are ready.
Oh,
Can't
yes,
hardly
ma'am.
wait to taste them.
Ah, smell those.
Oh, gosh, yes, I smell them. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Let's get them on our plate here.
Y'all, 20 minutes and you got them ready.
Smells like bacon.
Bacon? Bacon, bacon, bacon? They do smell delicious.
They're gonna be hot though.
I know it. Well, let's have a mushroom.
Okay.
Yeah, they're a little hot, son. Ooh, and I can't pop that whole hot mushroom into my mouth.
I'll split it with you.
Okay. To eating on the lawn, I don't know if our food's gonna make it to the lawn.
Less than 50% chance.
Love what the lemon zest does to it. Love it.
The mushroom?
Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Hey
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.